15 space facts that will leave you in awe and wonder. Space, the vast realm beyond our planet, holds incredible mysteries and surprises. From amazing wonders to things that might give you a shiver, here are 15 space facts that will both amaze and intrigue you. 1. The enormous space. Imagine space like a gigantic playground, stretching unimaginably far. The closest star to our Sun is super far away, about 25 trillion miles. 2. Bumping galaxies. Just like bumper cars, galaxies can bump into each other. Our Milky Way is on a slow collision course with another galaxy called Andromeda. But don't worry, this won't happen for billions of years. 3. Sun's sizzling flares. Our Sun is like a giant fireworks show. Sometimes it shoots out huge bursts of energy called solar flares. These are super powerful and could mess with our technology on Earth. 4. Mysterious black holes. Black holes are like cosmic vacuum cleaners. They're so strong that not even light can escape them. If you got too close to one, you'd be stretched out like spaghetti. 5. Space silence. Space is incredibly quiet because there's no air for sound to travel through. It's so quiet that astronauts in space have to talk through radios to hear each other. 6. Jupiter's big storm. Imagine a storm that's bigger than our whole planet. That's what's happening on Jupiter. It's called the Great Red Spot, and it's been swelling for centuries. 7. Planets with no home. Some planets wander through space without a home star. They must be very lonely and cold, drifting alone in the dark. 8. Blazing gamma-ray bursts. Imagine an explosion so big that it's like a trillion atomic bombs going off at once. These are called gamma-ray bursts, and they're some of the most powerful things in space. 9. The extra-hot Venus. Even though Mercury is closer to the Sun, Venus is actually hotter. Its thick blanket of air traps heat, making it scorching enough to melt lead. 10. Mysterious dark matter. Scientists are puzzled by something called dark matter. It's invisible and doesn't shine, but it makes up a lot of space stuff. No one knows exactly what it is yet. 11. The space coldness. Space can be super chilly. There's something called cosmic background radiation left over from the Big Bang, and it's colder than you can imagine. 12. Junk in space. Picture a lot of old toys floating around your room. That's kind of like what's happening in space with old satellites and rocket parts. It's getting crowded up there. 13. Weird space effects. If you ever went to space without a spacesuit, bad things would happen. Your body fluids would start boiling, and you'd puff up like a balloon. Not a good idea. 14. Universe's future. The universe is always changing. Someday, galaxies will move away from each other so much that the night sky will look very different. But this will take a really, really long time. 15. The big empty space. There's a lot of nothing in space. It's like a giant desert with lots of darkness between the stars. But that emptiness is what makes space so special and full of surprises.